Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, I'm going to guide you through how to change password in Amazon account. First of all, launch open the Amazon application on your device, or you can also go to amazon.com on a web browser and log in. Once you're inside the home page, click on the human button at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on Login and Security under Account Settings. On the next page, scroll down to Password and tap Edit right next to it. On the next page, write down your current password in the first field. Now, enter a new password in the New Password field you want to change to. Re-enter the new password once again in the next field. And finally, click Save Changes. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update or change your password for Amazon account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.